So, Sheikh, you just mentioned if the Khalifa's order will take precedence over the husband and the father.
No.
But we know the hadith of Mu'adh, Prophet ﷺ said, if Allah was to ordain someone to make sujood, he'll ordain the husband to make sujood to the wife to make sujood to the husband. So here, the precedence is the husband.
You know, the husband over his wife, but the Khalifa is over everybody. Okay? So if the Khalifa said nobody is allowed to bring his wife outside the house, and the husband said, you go to outside the house, which one precedence goes? If she goes out, she's going to be in prison. So the Khalifa is first. It's nothing to do with the Imam or the father. Or the Prophet ﷺ in this hadith, it means that the rights of the husband is too much over the wife. But before the husband, the father was, his rights as well is important, even more important. The parents' rights is more. So when the wife dies, and she had a father lived and a husband, how much is the husband will take? Half of the wealth. And how much the father will take? Half. So the husband is not closer than the father. Do you understand me? Inheritance-wise, half, 50%. And if the person had a daughter, then the wife, if the woman, she had a daughter, and her husband, so the wife, she had a daughter, and she had a father, and he had a husband, and she died, then the husband will take a quarter. The wife, she will take a half, and the rest goes to the father. Also, it doesn't mean that the father, if his right is being taken away by the husband, here is only the commands. The commands that you have to have, the commander, your husband, but it doesn't mean on the expense of your relationship with your father. Your relationship with your father is perpetual until death. With your husband until he is your husband. If he is divorcing you, you don't take order from him. You go back to your father. So that hadith doesn't really contradict what I just said. No. But the Khalifa is the leader of everybody. Just like the woman, she's a master in her house. The husband is a master in his wife and his house. And as well, the Khalifa is a master on all of those people. The Imam is the Khalifa in his masjid. But once the Khalifa comes, who has got the priority to lead? The Khalifa himself. Do you understand me? The Wali. Khalifa of the Muslims. He will be the one now to lead.